Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over actually getting into your VPS. Now in this one, I did it a little bit different. I just took a screenshot of the email, so I'm not showing my password and username and everything. But I'll go through the steps so you can know exactly what you need to do. So when you sign up for 5-star VPS or any VPS in that matter, you'll get an email from them and it'll have an IP address, a system password, or a username and password for your VPS to be able to log in. Now, once you receive that email, you're actually able to go in and log into your VPS. So you'll receive an email similar to this one. As you can see here, I have my username, my password, and an IP address. So the next thing that you need to do is actually come down here and we're going to search RDP, right, or remote desktop protocol or connection. RDP, right? So click on that. Once you click on that, I already brought it up down here, but once you click on that, it'll bring up a window similar to this one, if not this exact same window. Now what you're going to do is you're going to, right here where it says computer is where you're going to enter this IP address. It could be like a web address almost, or it could be just numbers. For this example, I'll do 2.2.2.2. And then right here where it says username, you just type in whatever the username is right here. It could be numbers, it could be words, it could be, it could be a mix of things. So once you do that, allow me to save my credentials. I personally push this so I don't have to keep typing this in and referring back to this email every time, because these passwords are pretty complex. But you click save as. After that, once you save as, you type whatever, Joshua VPS, whatever the case is, whatever you want to title it, and then save it. And then you're just gonna push connect. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video real quick, and I'll be right back once I'm connected to my VPS. All right, and I'm back, and this is what it's going to look like once you push connect. It'll ask you if you want to continue. You push continue, and then it's going to connect you to your VPS. Now, once you're in your VPS, you're basically in, you're in another computer. Like, this is a separate Windows computer on top of the computer that I already have, right? So you can see here, and I can open this up and get into that VPS, just like that. So very simple, not too hard, but it definitely gave me a hard time, the first time that I was trying to figure it out. So here's a step-by-step exactly how you need to do it. As far as TradeRinger, we use Liquor is the main broker that the majority of us use, and this is the update TradeRinger button that I was talking about in a previous video. Whereas if you need to, update your software, you'll just double click on this TradeRinger button, and it'll update your software automatically instead of you having to actually go in and, download new software. So that's a very helpful, icon to keep in mind. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope, with it, me not being able to show too much of my personal information, I hope you're still able to get, a lot of value out of this video. And I will see you guys on the next one.